Now let's demonstrate domains. So domains, the process is simple. Whether you open up entra.microsoft.com or the usual Azure portal, the process is same. I'll show you in both the places. So first things, you got to search domain name here. Let's click on it. And as we open, we will get the custom domain name. So domains define the namespace for user accounts and resources. So if you look here, we got the domain name here and status is unverified. So there will be we can filter out different filters, like whichever is verified, if initially, if available. So we can have a view here whatever is available. Next, let's say if you want to create a custom domain, so it is out of scope, because if you want to create a custom domain, then the process is simple. You just got to click on add custom domain, then give a name and click on add domain, right? Then you got to verify the domain ownership. Since this tutorial will become too large and it will be outside the scope, so just for the information purpose, I've just mentioned. So that is the process. The same, if we search here domain name in the Entra ID as well, the same thing will appear. So Entra ID portal is kind of like looks cool. It's kind of new, so looks good. So it will again open up the same page. If you look, click on the domain name, and we can find the same example.abc status is unverified, right? So we the verification, I'm repeating, ensures we got to own the domain before it can be used, right? We got to follow the DNS instructions provided, right? We might need to add a txt record in the domain registrar's DNS settings, those kind of things. So it is a since it's out of scope, I'm not demoing, but anytime you can click on add custom domain if it is available, and you can proceed with it. So that's what goes the concept of domain. Thank you so much. Let's meet in our next lecture.